I'm Bill from Eckler's. Today we're going to take a closer look at this Performance 2 Series direct fit gauge kit fitting your 1968 through 1977 Corvette. This Performance 2 Series direct fit gauge kit is an excellent way to upgrade the gauges in your 68 through 77 Corvette. These are all going to be fully digital gauges, and it's going to include everything necessary for direct installation using most of your factory components. All of your wiring, senders are all included, along with a new tachometer, speedometer, a new voltage gauge, temperature gauge, oil pressure, and fuel level, along with a dummy gauge to replace the factory clock. Now in these kits, the speedometer and your tachometer are going to fit in your factory location, and they're going to install right behind the factory bezels. This bezel in the middle here for your console gauges will again allow everything to mount in the factory location. Once installed, it's going to look very original, and these will also work with any engine combination. So whether you have a small block, big block, or even a late model LS swap, this is an excellent way to upgrade your Corvette. This Performance 2 Series direct fit gauge kit and other modern updates for your classic Corvette are available right here at Ecklers.com.